continue. Utensils that should not be kashered. Any utensil that come into continual contact with the flour or dough should not be kashered for Pesach. They should be cleaned to the best of one's ability and put away with the chometz dishes. That's it. So chometz dishes, you don't have to wash these dishes like especially. And some people, some clowns, they sell, in contract, they say we sell dishes to non-Jews, so we sell chometz to non-Jew. But if you if you genius, such a genius, you put, I sold my dishes to non-Jew, so now they actually belong to him throughout the whole Pesach. So if you want to acquire them, you have to dip them in the mikveh, everything. So we don't do that. And some clowns also put, I sell the dirt to the non-Jew. I sell them chometz, I sell them cookie and flour, whatever is left, and dirt in the dishes. We don't do that. Okay.